back to my channel. We are back again in a new video reaction. I'm here to comment on something that is very, very important. A few days ago, we had the news of what happened in Orlu in Imo State. And since then, I have not talked about it because I want to understand what actually happened. And today, I have the opportunity to watch the video. My goodness. It is so shocking, to be honest with you. Many of you have watched the video. I'm not going to play the video here. I wanted to bring it here, but because of the graphic images, a lot of, you know, Ozunde Mado. Okay, I'm choosing my words because of the platform. So, because of Ozunde Mado and the Obala not the video. So, I don't have the choice, okay, to bring the video for you here. But if you have not watched it, you can check on X. The video is making waves on X. Even COS also have it on on her platform, so you can go there and see it as well. It is so shocking, very, very, very shocking. Why is it now? You may ask, why is it now? Because we believe that we have conquered this kind of thing to happen to our people. Seeing it now simply means that something is very, very, very wrong. And people that are supposed to do something about it, they're busy trying to defend themselves, trying to drag one or two things, trying to make sure that they get out the opportunity in the name of dragging position and looking for who it will favor. So I don't think it is something that they're worried about. Okay, because if they care about people, they should have focused on how to make sure that everything is all right. But at the moment, they don't care about it. That's why everything is the way it is. Because PM is not here. I made a video when they suspended him in the name of questioning him and investigating him. I made a video saying that it is time for Igbo nation to see the importance of PM. But I knew that something may happen or could happen, but I did not expect it to be this much. And the annoying part is that it's not gonna stop anytime soon. The way it is now, I don't believe it's gonna stop anytime soon. People that were protecting and doing something before are now busy trying to, you know, do the bidding of where the money is coming from and all that. A lot of excuses. And funny enough, what they are telling you now is you should talk to CS, that she is the one to give it. But many of them have bragged that they are in control. In fact, everything is in their control. They know everything. They are the one controlling everything and all that. I'm not here to talk about what the importance of COS or whoever, but as time goes on, you need to understand it because it is very, very shocking. And I don't know why. I honestly don't know why. So I don't know what to say because of the images and what people are going through. It's not going to stop anytime, like I said. And I've seen some people on my comment section telling me that I don't talk about Fulani, that I should channel my energy on Fulani people, and that instead of talking about Ogenkere and what is going on and all that I should focus on Fulani people. One even went as far as saying that I am not a freedom fighter, that I'm a blogger. It is true. I'm not. And I'm a blogger, right? So being a blogger is not any committing any offense, right? So unless if you don't like what I'm saying, then you can use any means necessary to tag me names just to please yourself. Just to please yourself. Because why I don't talk about Fulani, according to your question, is because I know talking about Fulani is not the solution. If you like, talk about Fulani from now to maybe next 2 years or 20 years, it's not gonna solve anything. To talk to Fulani or talk about Fulani, you should engage yourself with more actions than talking. There are some things you need to talk, whereas there are some things you need to act. You don't talk, you act. So this issue of Fulani is action, not talking. I am following the news in the northeast in Zamfara, how they are buying, how Fulani are buying and Hausa communities, sending them to judgment without any remorse. And after seeing those things, you now see your own people trying to play down what you already know. I know, and I don't pray. I don't pray for it that what is going on in the north may happen in the east. But if it does, don't blame anybody, blame yourself. Especially most of you or some of you that are busy signing petition. PM is the problem, PM is this. Now, where is a more powerful press release? Where is a mega gift? Where is a citizen observer? Where are those people? Masnokano's wife. All of them, they are kept quiet. But our people are being slaughtered in Imo State. Don't say, oh, it's only in Imo State, it's not gonna get to your state. No matter what your state may be, because the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. So they have to start somewhere. And Imo State happen to be the place. It will escalate if nothing is being done. The same thing happened in Benue, Meduguri, Zamfara, Kaduna. The list go on and on. Still happening until the conquest is completed. Are you ready for that? Are you willing to experience that? That's the question. Because no matter how, whether you support this, you support that, they don't feel like they don't ask you who you support. The agenda is your life and your land. Once your life and your land is available, you are in for your take. And that is why it is very, very scary. Very, very scary. And the worst part of it is that we are not doing anything. Little that our people are doing, we have a lot of people that are busy to sabotaging that, frustrating them, and dragging position when you need to actually gain land. I mean, gain ground. Ndị Igbo na-egwekwa asị na-asụtụcha na azụ wute mana unu asụtụbeghị ana zụọ agodo ute. That video, please, if you have not see it, if you have not have the chance to watch it, you have not seen it, try your best to watch it. They have short clips. Okay, you are going to see what is going on, and when you are watching that, imagine that is your community. Imagine that those women, those children, those people you see in the video, they are your relatives and your town people. Imagine that. That may reset your brain. I actually watched a video of one of these videos that this man called Okute Biafra, okay, made, and he said something there. He said something there, and what he said, as if he cares about the coming of Biafra. Imagine somebody fighting and promoting Ogenkere, telling people to share videos, so for international committee to come and do what? If you have been following PM and you still believe that international committee or ICC or United Nations is coming for your rescue, you still believe that, it simply means that you need brain surgery, but because that thing can never ever happen. We can watch people that have not said anything in everything that's going on, even not only in Igbo land, in other places, they don't care about it. Are they the one that you're expecting to come for your rescue? That is not going to happen. Anyway, I just want to write on this because I can't wait to make this video after watching that short clip. Thank you, my people, and tell me what you think about it. If you have watched it, what is your own take? What do you think that the future will hold for us? Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Tell me what you think about it on comment section. God bless you and bye-bye for now.